Move forward. Turn left. Turn right. Move backward. Move forward. Hello, some time ago I introduced you to an Arduino robot that had the ability to track an object moving in front of it. This time I used the same robot, but now I have added a Bluetooth controller so that now motions can be controlled by the user by giving specific voice commands. The speech is received and processed on a smartphone which then sends command to the robot. A few years ago I made a similar project that uses the same Android application which is a home automation system, and you can see it on given address. The name of the Android applications is BT Voice Control for Arduino, and you can download it for free on the Google Play services. The working principle of this application is as follows. When the application recognizes voice as a string, for example, if you say left, the Android phone will return a string left to Bluetooth module connected to Arduino, where the asterisk and hashtag indicate the start and stop bits. Then in the Arduino code the strings are mapped with a certain function. In this particular example, they move group of motors with which the robot moves. The robot is simple to build and consists of several components. Arduino Uno microcontroller, L293D motor driver shield, next 4 pieces DC gear motors with wheels, next HC05 Bluetooth module board, switch, and 7.4 volts lithium-ion battery pack. To make it, we need only one rectangular plate on which lower side should be glued the engines, and the upper side surface mounted other elements. You can use discontinued L293D motor shield like in my case, but also an Adafruit shield as is presented on the schematic diagram without any changes. The Arduino code is very simple thanks to the AF motor library, and the only modification would be to change the delay time. And now let's see how the robot works in reality. First we need to launch the EMR voice application. Next we need to connect the robot on the Bluetooth. In our case Bluetooth is HC05. Now after activating the microphone, we give voice commands to the robot. Move forward. Turn left. Turn right. Move backward. Move forward. The following is a brief description of how the device is made.